Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Dear, today we are going to discuss the MCQs of exercise chemistry 12th chapter 9 aromatic hydrocarbons. First MCQs is the benzene molecule contains 3 double bond, 2 double bonds, 1 double bond, delocalized pi electron charge. There, the actual structure of benzene has delocalized pi electrons. The pi bonds are delocalized and they do not remain in the fixed position to make 3 full double bonds. So the exact answer is delocalized pi electrons charge. Next, aromatic hydrocarbons are the derivatives of normal series of paraffins, alkenes, benzene and cyclohexane. There, aromatic hydrocarbons are the derivatives of benzene. The aromatic character of benzene is due to the benzene ring. As you can see in the diagram, when benzene react with bromine, then bromobenzene is formed, which is the derivative of benzene. Similarly, when benzene react with chlorine, then chlorobenzene is formed, which is the derivative of benzene. So the exact answer is benzene. Aromatic hydrocarbons are the derivatives of benzene. Next MCQs is which of the following can be used as a catalyst in Friedel-Crafts reaction? AlCl3, HNO3, BeCl2, NaCl. There, AlCl3 is used as a catalyst in Friedel-Crafts reaction. Actually, aluminium chloride is Lewis acid and it can generate the electrophile easily. The electrophile attacks the benzene ring to do the electrophile substitution reaction. As you can see in this reaction, when aluminium chloride react with acid halide, then an electrophile is generated which react with benzene to form product. So the exact answer is AlCl3. Which of the following acid can be used as a catalyst in Friedel-Crafts reaction? AlCl3. Next, benzene cannot undergo substitution reactions, addition reactions, oxidation reactions, elimination reactions. There, benzenes can do substitution, additions and oxidation reactions but cannot undergo elimination reaction as it is very stable and so elimination is not possible. In elimination reactions, benzene has to create the triple bond in the ring which makes the molecule unstable. So the exact answer is elimination reactions. Benzene cannot undergo elimination reactions. Next, amongst the following, the compounds that can be most readily sulfonated is toluene, benzene, nitrobenzene or chlorobenzene. There, the methyl group in toluene release electron to the benzene ring, so it makes the ring a good nucleophile. So the electrophilic substitution reactions takes place easily, very easily. So the exact answer is toluene. Next, during nitration of benzene, the active nitrating agent is NO3, NO2 plus, NO2 minus, HNO3. There, NO2 plus can act as a very good electrophile. Reason is that benzene ring is nucleophilic in character. So the exact answer is NO2 plus. Next, which compound is the most reactive one? Benzene, ethene, ethane or ethine. There, the reactivities of the benzene and ethene are greater than ethane. Benzene is less reactive than ethene due to the delocalization of the pi electronic cloud. Ethene has more diffused and loosely held pi electrons and give addition reactions quickly. Ethine has 4 pi electrons which are delocalized around the sigma bond and is less reactive than ethene. Ethane is less reactive among all. So the exact answer is ethene. Which compound is most reactive one? Ethene. Next, the electrophile in aromatic sulfonation is H2SO4, HSO4 minus, SO3, SO3 plus. There, SO3 gas, sulfur trioxide gas act as a electrophile in sulfonation of benzene. As you can see in reaction, when benzene react with SO3 in the presence of sulfuric acid and temperature to 5 degrees centigrade, then sulfonation of benzene takes place. So the exact answer is SO3. Aromatic compounds burn with sooty flame because they have highly percentage of hydrogen, they have ring structure, they have highly percentage of carbon, they resist reaction with air. There, the aromatic compounds burn with sooty flame due to high percentage of carbon. Actually, some of the carbon remains unburned which produce the soot. So the exact answer is they have high percentage of carbon. Next, The conversion of N-hexane into benzene by heating in the presence of platinum is called isomerization, aromatization, dealkylation or rearrangement. There, the conversion of aliphatic compounds into aromatic compound is called aromatization. Like you can see in reaction when N-hexane rearranged in the presence of chromium oxide, aluminium oxide and silicon dioxide in the presence of heat, then benzene is formed. So the exact answer is aromatization. Here आज के लिए इतना ही. इंशाल्लाह नेक्स्ट वीडियो में नेक्स्ट चैप्टर की एक्सरसाइज की MCQs को सॉल्व करेंगे. तब तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज़.